And there you have it. You can unbolt your roof on your Defender. So, welcome back to another episode. And today we have a new build coming in, which is what you see behind me, a Defender 110. And this one's going to be quite special. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what we can get up to. It's going to be quite special. So join me, won't you, on this new challenge and new project. And this one's going to be fun. It used to be an ex-Highways Defender, so it used to have like livery down the side of like reflective stickers and, you know, road working conditions. I'll show you the inside of it. So it's actually really clean and straight. It's a good looking one. It's had 4 new tyres. These are being changed anyway. This was actually a freebie. It came with it. Really happy that we got that. It's going to make a big difference to its final image. Inside it is a very basic spec, which is actually good because I won't reveal too much, but basically yes, we want the windy windows. Really basic inside. It was just used as work van. It is still clean, and it is you know, everything's in good order. Ply lined in the back. Underneath is all good. It's still quite new. It's only got 30,000 miles on it, and 2011. So I say quite new, but it's a newer one, and it's got the latest 2.2 engine. It's all straight. It's all there. There's nothing, no fancy history about it, and it's nothing special. But we're going to make it into something special. You can see the Highways graphics there. But yeah, all ply lined. I'm just about to pull out the ply lining because we may lose the roof. Ooh. Okay guys, welcome back. It is the next day and very special indeed. We're back on the Defender 110. It's going to go for a full respray today, so we need to prep it for respray. Now, something quite special about this one, we're taking off the roof and we're also going to be taking off the bumper, the tow bar, all the rest of it. So let's get cracking. suppose there's nothing left to do but remove the roof, and then I've got to drive about 20 minutes to the body shop, and it looks like it's about to rain, so this could be fun. This could be fun, but let's get going. Guys, I think the roof is ready to unbolt. Only one way to find out. Not ready to unbolt, ready to lift off. And there you have it. You can unbolt your roof on your Defender. Well, that just looks so much better, doesn't it? From van to Safari. Oh, that looks super cool. I can't get over this. This is incredible. The drive to the body shop is going to be most interesting, and you're going to come along with me. Goodbye. Now this should be a very interesting drive indeed. No roof and it's about to rain. Well, this feels so weird. Bloody low range, be why. More rattles, very good. What is that? The bulkhead against the doors, very good. Well, this feels absolutely mental. It was fast. Woo. Shut up. That's the only concern I have at this moment. To the body shop. And fast. Whoa. This feels illegal. Oh. Well, this feels amazing. Why is no one else doing this? There's a lot of good stuff going in my eyes from the back. Oh, that's 50 miles an hour. guys, so we're here at the body shop and I'm just waiting for the owner to return from getting some wheels or something. But that was an interesting drive and one I wish to do again. But anyway, I can't wait to pick this thing up from paint. We're going for a different colour. I'm not going to give you what colour we're going, but it's going to be really, really nice when we pick it up. That's going to be it for today's video. I've jumped back in the van, I'm going to shoot back to the unit and get on with something else. But let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what colour you guys think we should go. And I will see you next time.